film releases on
25th April.
and what's happening. Tell us the story, a little bit of the plot, what each of you play. Let's get up.
I think Moshuni Chatterjee is happening after a long time, and it was a privilege working with her. And story, you say?
See, more importantly, this is a subject that we picked up from a very emotional angle, where we thought that, a soul-stirring subject is very, very appreciated by the audience, and nothing can be more soul-touching other than the mother and the child bond. So this story actually revolves around mother, son, and the crisis that they go through, the happy and the sad, and all the emotions and their joyride, their journey. So I'm sure that when people watch this film, they're going to have a different sort of an experience in the cinema hall.
And also can relate to the storyline.
Yes, because every scene that we have tried to incorporate in this film, it is, it's actually inspired from the real life. How probably would my mom or your mom
Or your mom
would enact or react to any situation. So I think this film is very, very special to us, and we just hope that once it hits the theatres, the fact that we wanted to bridge the gap between the commercial and urban genre. So I think we have tried our best. Rest, we are waiting for the audience's feedback.
Which is what you play.
I play a writer in the film, and that's all I can say. This film is not much about me. It is about the mother, the son, the parent.
No, I would beg to differ. She is not just a writer of the film, she's also the narrator. And she narrates in a different way that we have kept as a surprise package. So for that, we would ask the audiences to go and watch the film.
Yash, a little bit about your role.
I think
play the son.
I play the son, and let's not get into roles here. It's the overall story and the interpersonal
relationship. I'll give you a story in a
relationship.
gist, basically, because he bragged a bit about my character. Let me just put it in a better way. So there's a son who has completely given up all the good things in his life, because his favorite thing, or the best thing, the best person in his life is his mother. And the mother is, she's ailing a lady who's suffering from anterograde, a scientific term that is used for diseases where people get stuck in one group of time and probably are not aware of the present time at all. So this is the crisis that the child is stuck with, and the relationship, which is a love bond between the mother and son, and how they pull through life, and what is their story, and how the entire film also talks about parenthood, how children are involved in parents' life and their importance. So I think rather than we speaking about these definitions, it should be seen and felt rather than being spoken and understood. You need to feel it more than understanding. So don't go by our words. Go to the theatres and watch this film, which releases on the 25th of April.
Moshuni Chatterjee a little bit now. Yash, what are your memories of Moshuni Chatterjee? Evergreen, really, and which of your memories? And really, first day on the shoot with her, what was it like?
I think
it's probably somebody who's been equally popular.
our relationship with her has been really personal. First day of the shoot, I still remember. Nusrat joined in on the second day, where she had the scene with Moshuni Chatterjee, and Moshuni ma'am has this thing of improvisation, where other actors couldn't just figure out that what she is about to do next. So I think that's
she's so natural. She comes across so natural, and it's if we were nervous, sharing the screen space with her, we were so nervous that we have to deliver our dialogues and do our part alongside hers. But you know what? I think it's been a fun film.
In fact, there have been actors in our films who have just done one scene or two scenes. Good actors, eminent actors, just to do a scene with her. So that was the kind of experience, and we took back, with this film, we took back a lot of experiences, a lot of memories, and relationships that's going to stay till the end of our life.
It's just not by the shooting skill. I think we've taken the relationship way beyond that. And be able to keep that together.
But isn't she live wire? Like, you know,
Oh
she's
yes, she
candid,
is. She's
hilarious.
crackling all the time. She's crackling.
She's full of
very
life.
witty,
Yeah.
and maybe she's full of life more than probably kids of our age or people
Yes,
of our
yes,
age.
yes, yes.
But Yash, Nusrat, both of you had a hectic time producing and bringing this film to life, giving it birth really. So were you off to for a vacation? We shot a nice wrecking lookbook
We are
today.
still getting the film ready. I mean, the post work is still on, and few
there's not
other
much,
technical things are still pending. So we are still getting that done. And once we release the film and the post-release production, then only we can just come out.
Which vacation spot is in your mind? We shot
Oh,
on the waters today.
we're still having a debate about that.
And honestly, I would like to thank Titi for even before we planned our holiday, they've probably planned our looks for the holiday. So wherever we go, it doesn't matter, and probably they've styled us, no? So,
They are like family. These guys, they always, when it comes to them, we are always sorted whenever we go for vacation.
yeah, they make us look very stylish.
One last message for our readers to watch Ari on 25th of April. Last was from your Nusrat on. Please do watch. Go watch Ari.
I probably wouldn't say please go and watch Ali, because that's every time that we do for every film, we appeal to the audience. So this time, we would just say that, just feel the relationship, just feel the love in between, and to do that, go to the cinemas once.
Take your children along with you. Take your parents along with you. And I think this is the best gift you can give to each other. This Novobarsh.
Spend time with each other in the cinema hall while watching this film. You won't regret it.